Let us do 2-3 problems. Find equation to the circle having center at 1, -1 and radius 4 units. Now it is direct formula. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. If you want, you can expand and bring everything to one side. Now, one more problem. Find equation to the circle having center at 0, 2 and passing through a point 1, 5. See, to find equation to the circle, we need center and radius. So you just find distance between these 2 points, which will give you the radius. So we observe that radius is nothing but root of 1 plus 3 square. That is 9. Root 10 is the radius. Therefore, equation to the circle is nothing but x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to root 10 square. Now, if you want, you can simplify bringing all the things to one side. So, to find equation to a circle, usually we look for its center and radius. Now, look at this problem. We want equation to the circle passing through the points 1, 1, 2, -1 and 3, 2. So, as I said earlier, we want center and radius. So once we have the center, radius will be obvious like the previous problem, because once we get center, we can simply find distance between these 2 points or these 2 points to get the radius. So all that we need is in this problem center of the circle. Now to find the center of the circle, what I do is I go for bisector of perpendicular bisectors of these chords. If I call these points as A, B, C, I go for perpendicular bisector of AB. We know that it always passes through the center, and perpendicular bisector of BC, that also passes through the center. Once we have these two line equations, we simply solve them for the point of intersection, which gives us the center of the circle. Okay, so let's go for perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC first. What is the slope of AB? It is 2 by -1, -2. And what is slope of BC? It is 3 by 1. So its slope is 3. Now let me write the midpoints here. This point is 3 by 2, 0. And over here, this midpoint is 5 by 2, 1 by 2. As the slope of AB is -2, its slope will be 1 by 2. So its equation is x minus 2y is equal to 3 by 2. And as slope of BC is 3, its slope will be -1 by 3. So its equation is x plus 3y is equal to, it is passing through 5 by 2, 3, 5, 8, 4 you'll get. Now from this one we have it as, this is 2x minus 4y equal to 3. So solving these two for the center, I have multiplying this equation by a 2, it is 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. Or subtracting, I have 10y is equal to 11. 10y is equal to, I have to subtract, so I'll get 5 here. That means y is equal to 1 by 2 I am getting. Now using y is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation, I'll have 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Or from this I have x is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the center of the circle is nothing but 1 by 2, 5 by 2. So now you have center of the circle and you have a point on the circle. So now ultimately it became the above problem only. So you can find equation to the required circle. So I leave it here. In this problem, I have observed that some of the students become lazy. This problem can be done in 2, 3 other ways also. So what some of the students do is they start in one way, and instead of completing the problem the way they have started, they leave it in the middle and try to do the problem in a different way. I suggest the students not to do that and stick to one particular method and follow it. Even if you feel lazy, please don't leave it in the middle and complete the problem in the method that you have started. uh, Believe me, all the methods whatever are there for this problem, either they're all equally easy or you can say equally difficult. There is nothing like one method is easy and one method is difficult. So if you start in one method, don't leave it, please complete in that way.